Husband is not husband is not husbands are husbands are husbands are husbands are husbands are husbands are a demonstration what laws are doing to every man in this country. Article 21 does not apply to men in India. A man is a criminal by birth. This is a treatment every man is getting in the society, let it be judiciary, legislative or executive. The three pillars of our constitution treats man the same way. A man is criminal by birth. It is not too far that if a male baby is born, then we should immediately take an anticipatory bail. Once a male child is born, please take an anticipatory bail, because the 498A, all these packages are guaranteed. Every man is a criminal by birth. That is how the laws are. Laws which were invented in 1961, 498A, is still killing the people even after 50 years, 50 to 60 years. And the men's situation in the current society is what it represents. It is not too far that if a baby boy is born, then you have to take an anticipatory bail immediately. Along with the birth certificate, please apply for AB. That is how the society is going. That is how the men are treated. Men are criminal by birth. That is how judiciary treats us. That is how legislature treats us. Down, 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 down. Justice is, justice is, justice is. Beke beku, beke beku, beke beku. Justice is, justice is. Down, 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 down. Alimony is, alimony is, alimony is, alimony is, alimony is, alimony is. Let us observe 30 seconds of silence.
And this is not only for Atul, but for every male who has been a victim of false cases and who has given their life.
Judiciary,
Down, down.
judiciary,
Down, down.
judiciary,
Down, down.
judiciary.
Down, down.
Alimony, blood money, alimony, blood money, alimony, blood money, alimony, blood money. Justice is due. Justice is due. Justice is due. Justice is due.
Arrest criminal number 1. Arrest criminal number 1.
Husband is. Husband sir. Husband sir. Husband sir. Husband sir. Husband sir. Husband sir. Judiciary. 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 Judiciary.